Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP on Kraken. It's quite easy to do this. Please make sure you use the link in the description of this video to get the website. So by logging on to our browser, we're working with the Google Chrome. Okay guys, and once you're on kraken.com, simply click on the sign up option. And by clicking on sign up, scroll through and create your personal account. Now, this personal account is what's going to help us get the XRP. So by entering an email, a username, a password, and the country of residence, all you need to do is simply confirm all of these boxes. And once you've checked all of those boxes out, simply download the mobile app, or you could simply click on sign in after creating your account. So let's say we want to sign in, click on the sign in option. That's after creating our account. So simply sign in, and the sign-in process is done. Okay guys, and here we are on the kraken.com. So now in order to buy your crypto, you need to get verified, and it's really simple to get your verification done. Click on the get verified option and then proceed to enter all of your information. That's your personal information. Okay guys, and once you've proceeded to complete your identity verification, simply click on the continue option. So guys, once you've completed the identity verification, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the buy option that you can see here. Once you've selected the buy option, simply enter the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. So where we have the Bitcoin, select the drop down and select Ripple. Click on this Ripple, enter the amount of dollars you're wishing to spend for the Ripple. So let's say we've got $20 or 50. So click on 50. And you could add a payment method. This payment method involves depositing cash or your credit card. So click on credit card payments and simply add your card number and the rest of those informations. And once you've done this, simply click on the review. So guys, by doing this, you can buy your XRP and it would be deposited on your Kraken wallet, which you could then confirm by clicking on the icon at the top left. Click on this icon, scroll through and simply head over to the overview option. Okay guys, and once at the overview, you can have a look at all of your crypto assets as well as your fiat assets. That's your main dollar or whatever fiat currency you're using to purchase the XRP. It's all going to be here, your XRP and every other crypto you possess. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy XRP on Kraken, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.